Susan, and for the next couple of days I'm going to be working on putting in a water feature. This is an old burn pile that came with my house. It is full of all kinds of rocks and metal and just all kinds of trash. And I have been working really hard to try to attract more wildlife on my property, and one really great way to do that is with a water feature. So I am going to dig all of this out, clean it all out, and replace it with this really nice hard pond liner. It's 125 gallons. It has these nice little shelves that I'll be able to put some pond plants on. So this is officially the before, and boy howdy is it ever a before. So as you can see, we have made great progress. We dug up all kinds of awful stuff out of this old fire pit, got our hole leveled, lined it with sand, dropped the liner in, and it's level, and we're filling it with water now. We also backfilled around the pond, and we filled in that area with water too, so that it can all kind of settle down, and then we'll continue to fill in with dirt until it's really seeded well. It is coming along. Obviously we still have a lot to do, but we're getting there.